Hello everyone, welcome back to another video lesson at Joshua's Guitar, and today we're doing another Christmas song. We're going to be doing Santa Claus is Coming to Town, so let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to be in the key of C today, and we're going to start on a C major 7. So let me just go through the first part for you guys, you know what it sounds like. Okay, so first chord, C major 7. Okay, so we got 3, 5, 4, 5. Okay, and then we also have our pickup, which is a G note on the 3rd fret of the 1st string. Okay, so and what I'm doing here is we're going from C major 7 to C7, F major 7, to a B flat 7. So that's kind of our little progression here that we're going to be working with for the first few bars. So high E string and the chord with the B string and the melody, and then I'm sliding my pinky up to the 4th fret of that B string, so, and then I'm hitting that G note again on that E string, still holding the shape, so, and then I'm changing to a C7, so that's just 3, 5, 3, 5, and 5, so it's a bar chord. Okay, so so hitting that again, so another time on the high E string there, and then F major 7, so 3, and then barring on 5 from the G, B, and E string, so D on the 3rd fret there. Okay, so and then I'm hitting a B note. Okay, and then go and do a B 9, B flat 9. Again, I'm barring here. You can also play it as a 13 if you want, adding the 13 on the 8th fret of the B string, but it's basically just B flat, so 6th fret bar, and then adding the 9, which is on the 8th fret with the pinky. It's a melody note, so. Just like that. And then we're gonna start over again, but this time we're not gonna do the pickup, so it's that's how the next part goes. So there's no pickup like the first part. So the first part, and then the second part. Okay, so same chord progression, we're just going down this time with the melody, so same, this is all the same. And then now we're going back, and then a B flat, and I'm just playing that with my thumb, but that can also be a bar chord if you want it to be. And the melody note is the 6th fret of the B string, so B flat 7 off the 6th fret. Okay, and then now we go to the turnaround, and that's going to go from an E minor. So here I have an E minor, so 7, 5, 7, 5. Melody on the B string, and that's going to go. So I'm going 5 to 8 on the B string. Then A minor, so this is I'm just barring, or with my thumb here, and I'm picking the G string first, then the B string. Okay, so then same pattern for the D minor as the E minor. Okay, so that's 3 to 6, and then there is just a G7, like shell voicing. So melody notes on the G string, 4th fret, G string, 3rd on the D, and then 3rd on the low E. So I'm just playing 3 notes there, and then playing a C6. You can also play just a regular old C chord. The melody note is in the B string. Okay, so it's or like that, or if you want to, you could try a major 7 there, or maybe just a C sus. However you want to do that, but that's a C chord, and that C6 is just the root here, so 3rd fret A string, 2nd on the D and G, and then 1st on the B. Or you play it. That's how I like to play it. Okay, so that's the first A section, and then the next A section is pretty much the same thing. Now between that, I go do a turnaround. So that's just, so if we go from the last part here, C sharp diminished, D minor, G7, same thing, okay, so let's play the first 2 A sections, so it's halfway through the song. Okay, so it's gonna go. First half of it. The next thing we're going to do is another turnaround. This time we have to get to a G minor 7, so I'm just going to do dominance, and that's just I'm playing a sharp 9 Jimi Hendrix chord here, E7 sharp 9, but you can play just E7, A7, D7. Okay, and then we have a pickup to the bridge, which is our B section. So and that's a C note up here, so figure that out how you will. If you want to go like up, so if I go here, and then we're just right into it. Okay, so a little turnaround there, and then we have C, D, so and then so boom, and then I got the high E string on the 10th fret, yep. And then just a simple G minor 7, A shape here, so 10 on the A, 12, 10, 11, 10. Okay, and then there I'm going, then 13 on the B, so 10, 10. And then I'm playing a G diminished shape, which is our C7. So that's 10, 11, 9, and 11. Okay, so. And then grabbing that C note on the high E string. And then F major 7. So 8, 10, 9, and 10. Okay, so from the pickup, note, sorry. And then same pickup, so C, same thing. Okay, so that phrase is done twice. Okay, so just from the pickup again. Okay, and then now we're gonna hit a D note as our pickup to the next line on the 10th fret of the E string. Okay, so, and then here I'm playing an A minor shape. You don't have to include the bass note, but if you can, more power to you. That's 10, 12, 10, 12. Okay, so, and then I'm going to do a D7 shape, which is 10, 11, 10, 10. So, moving that shape back a fret. Okay, so, here we're going to a G major 7, so same shape as this F major 7, just up 2 frets. So 10, 12, 11, 12. Okay, so. And then this is just an E7, but I'm using a G sharp diminished shape. So same diminished shape, so just up starting on the 11th fret. So 11, 12, 10, 12. Okay, so. And then we're going 12, 13 on the B string. And then here we go, A minor 7 with the 11. Okay, and then that's the last part. So that last part, okay, so 7th fret, and then we have the 9th fret, and the 8th fret there, and then the 10th, and then I'm barring the back 2 strings here on the 8th fret. So I lift off, and then I'm hitting from 10 to 8, and then I'm playing this shape. So here, a B note on the 7th fret of the high E string, and then 5, 5, and 4, and then again barring right here, and then that's the 5th. So B, and then playing a D minor 11 here. Shape. Okay, so just again. Okay, you can play that one. This also D minor. The note is a G, or you just go straight to G7. So what here I'm doing here, how I like to play it is 3, 5, 5, 3. Okay. I'm moving that G string back a fret, so it's on the 4th now. Just come to G7, do the 13, okay, and then pick up again into the last A. Okay, so okay, and then we're back to that. Okay, so let's play the bridge again. So. To the A section. So let's go with the A section real quick again. Same thing. Exact same. And then there you have it. So So that's the entire song right there. Okay, so to finish off the video, I'm just going to play through this for you slowly. Just make sure you got it all together, and then I'll send you off. So here we go. Okay, so that's me for this lesson at Joshua's Guitar. If you like this video, leave a like and a comment, and then share this video with everyone you know. If you enjoy the content here at Joshua's Guitar, make sure you click that subscribe button and then the little bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos coming out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Merry Christmas.